The solar system, learning about planets and space. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Max. Max was very curious about everything. He always asked questions like, "Why is the sky blue?" And "Where does the sun go at night?" Max loved looking up at the stars. Every night, he would sit by the window and stare at the shining dots in the sky, wondering what they were. One day, Max's teacher, Miss Emily, told the class they would be learning about them. Max was so excited. He had always wanted to know more about space and the planets. Miss Emily started the lesson by explaining what the solar system is. The solar system, she said, is the group of planets, moons, and other objects that orbit around the sun. The sun is like the center, and all the planets move around it. Max raised his hand. "What does orbit mean?" he asked. Miss Emily smiled. "Good question, Max. To orbit means to move around something in a circle. So, the planets move in a circle around the sun." Max nodded. He was beginning to understand. Then, Miss Emily showed the class a picture of the solar system. There were so many planets. Max counted them and realized there were 8 planets. Miss Emily explained each planet one by one, starting with the closest to the sun. The first planet is Mercury She said. Mercury is the smallest planet and also the closest to the sun. It is very hot during the day, but at night it gets very cold. Mercury doesn't have an atmosphere to keep the heat in. Max imagined Mercury as a tiny, hot ball, close to the bright sun. Next is Venus Miss Emily continued. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, but it is covered in thick clouds. The clouds trap heat, so it is even hotter than Mercury. Venus is known as the hottest planet. Max was surprised. He thought Mercury was the hottest because it was closest to the sun, but now he knew that Venus was even hotter because of its clouds. Then Miss Emily pointed to the third planet. "This is Earth she said, smiling. "Earth is the planet we live on. It has air, water, and land. It is the only planet we know that has life. Earth is just the right distance from the sun, so it's not too hot and not too cold." Max felt proud. Earth sounded like the perfect planet. After Earth, Miss Emily pointed to the fourth planet. "This is Mars she said. "Mars is known as the red planet because of its reddish color. Scientists believe there might have been water on Mars a long time ago. Some people think that one day humans could live on Mars." Max's eyes grew wide. Live on Mars, he thought. That would be an adventure. Miss Emily then moved on to the biggest planet. "Now we have Jupiter she said. "Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's so big that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter has a giant red spot, which is a huge storm that has been going on for hundreds of years." Max was amazed. He couldn't believe a storm could last that long. He wondered what it would be like to stand on a planet as big as Jupiter. Next, Miss Emily showed the class Saturn ****. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings, she said. These rings are made of ice, dust, and rocks. Saturn is also very big, but it's not as heavy as Jupiter. In fact, if there was a giant pool of water, Saturn would float. Max couldn't believe his ears. A planet that can float, he thought. That sounded impossible, but also very cool. After Saturn, Miss Emily talked about Uranus ****. Uranus is a very cold planet, she explained. It's also different because it spins on its side. No other planet spins like Uranus. Max imagined Uranus rolling around like a ball in space. Finally, Miss Emily showed them Neptune ****. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, she said. It is very cold and windy there. Neptune has dark blue color, and it has big storms just like Jupiter. Max couldn't stop thinking about all the amazing planets. He had learned so much in one day, but there was still more to know. Miss Emily ended the lesson by saying, "There is so much more to learn about the solar system. Tomorrow, we will talk about moons, asteroids, and comets." Max was excited for the next lesson. He couldn't wait to learn about the moons and other objects in space. That night, he looked out of his window again. This time, when he saw the stars, he didn't just see dots in the sky. He saw a giant, amazing world full of planets, moons, and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Max whispered to himself, "One day, I will travel to the planets and explore the solar system." As he drifted off to sleep, he dreamed of flying through space, visiting each planet, and learning more about the wonders of the solar system. The next day, Max woke up early. He couldn't stop thinking about the solar system. He had dreams of flying through space, visiting planets, and seeing new worlds. He was ready for more exciting space lessons from Miss Emily. At school, Max sat at the front of the classroom, waiting for Miss Emily to start the lesson. He was so eager that he couldn't sit still. Finally, Miss Emily walked in with a big smile. "Good morning, class. Are you ready to continue our journey through space?" she asked. "Yes," the whole class answered, especially Max. "Yesterday, we talked about the 8 planets in the solar system," Miss Emily began. "Today, we're going to learn about some other things that are just as important, like moons, the sun, asteroids, and comets, Max was ready to soak up every word. Miss Emily started with the sun, "The sun is the most important part of the solar system," she explained. "It is a giant star in the center of the solar system, and all the planets orbit around it." Max thought about how huge the sun must be if it could keep all the planets in place. The sun is not just any star. Miss Emily continued. It is a very special one. It gives us light and heat. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. The sun's energy makes plants grow, gives us warmth, and keeps everything alive. Max realized how important the sun was. He knew it was bright and hot, but he never thought about how much life on Earth needed it. Then Miss Emily said something surprising. Did you know that the sun is made of gas? She asked the class. Max was shocked. He thought the sun was a big, solid ball, but now he learned it was made of gases, like hydrogen and helium. Next, Miss Emily moved on to moons. She showed the class a picture of Earth's moon. Moons are natural objects that orbit planets, she said. Earth has one moon, but some planets have many moons. For example, Jupiter has more than 75 moons. Max was amazed. He knew Earth had one moon because he could see it at night, but he couldn't imagine a planet with 75 moons. Each moon is different, Miss Emily explained. Some moons are big and some are small. Some are made of ice and some are rocky. Some even have volcanoes. Volcanoes on moons, Max thought. That was hard to believe. Miss Emily talked about some of the most famous moons. There's Europa which orbits around Jupiter. It's covered in ice, and scientists think there might be water under the ice. And where there's water, there could be life. Max's mind raced. Could there be living things on a moon? It sounded so exciting. He made a note to read more about Europa when he got home. Then Miss Emily told the class about Titan one of Saturn's moons. Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system, and it has a thick atmosphere. It also has lakes and rivers, but they are not made of water. They are made of liquid methane and ethane. Max couldn't imagine what that must look like. A moon with rivers that weren't made of water? Space was even stranger than he had thought. After learning about moons, Miss Emily moved on to asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the sun, she said. They are much smaller than planets, and most of them are found in the asteroid belt which is a region between Mars and Jupiter. She showed the class a picture of an asteroid. It looked like a big, gray rock floating in space. Some asteroids are only a few meters wide, while others are hundreds of kilometers wide, Miss Emily explained. Sometimes asteroids come close to Earth, but don't worry, most of them stay far away. Max was relieved to hear that. He didn't want any big space rocks crashing into Earth. Then Miss Emily introduced the class to comets. She showed them a picture of a bright comet with a long tail. Comets are icy objects that come from the outer parts of the solar system, she said. When a comet gets close to the sun, the ice and dust start to melt, and that creates the glowing tail you see in the sky. Max thought the comets were the most beautiful things in space. He had never seen one before, but now he wanted to. Miss Emily said that sometimes you can see comets from Earth if they pass close enough. Miss Emily told the class about one of the most famous comets, Halley's Comet ***. Halley's Comet is very special because it can be seen from Earth every 75 to 76 years. The last time people saw it was in 1986, and it will come back in 2061. Max did the math in his head. He would be an adult when Halley's Comet came back. He hoped he would get to see it. Before the lesson ended, Miss Emily had one more exciting fact to share. Have you ever heard of dwarf planets ? She asked. Max hadn't, so he listened closely. Dwarf planets are like small planets, but they don't meet all the rules to be called real planets, Miss Emily explained. The most famous dwarf planet is Pluto ***. A long time ago, people thought Pluto was the 9th planet, but then scientists realized it was too small and didn't clear its orbit like other planets. Max remembered hearing about Pluto before. He felt a little sad that it wasn't a full planet anymore, but he was glad that it was still part of the solar system. Miss Emily ended the lesson by showing the class a picture of the whole solar system again. This time, Max didn't just see the planets. He saw the sun, the moons, the asteroids, the comets, and the dwarf planets. The solar system was so much bigger and more interesting than he had ever imagined. That's the end of our space adventure for now, Miss Emily said. But remember, space is full of mysteries. There is always more to learn and explore. Who knows? Maybe one of you will become a scientist and discover something new about the solar system. Max felt excited about the future. He didn't know if he would become a scientist, but he knew one thing for sure. He would never stop being curious about space. That night, Max looked out of his window again. This time, the stars seemed even more magical. He imagined flying through the solar system, visiting the planets, seeing the moons, and watching a comet race by. He thought about what it would be like to stand on Mars, see the rings of Saturn, or visit the icy moon Europa. Max whispered to himself, "The solar system is so big and amazing. There is so much to explore, and I'm just getting started." As Max drifted off to sleep, he dreamed of the day he would travel through space, discovering all the wonders of the solar system.